toasted onion pie. Horseradish. Ranch dip. Braunschweiger. Pepper jack cheese. I can smell the horseradish. This isn't the healthiest dip, but it was left over from deli night. This thick-cut Braunschweiger comes from the closest deli, which is also the closest gas station. The pepper jack cheese is also from the same deli that is also a gas station. Pastrami is the one that's hard to find. There's no kosher butcher shops around here. If I had a garden-grown tomato, it would be on there now. But it's February. Thank you. Have a good night.